Hi everyone, welcome to my Chanel, where we explore the beautiful world of crochet. In today's video, we'll be making this adorable strawberry coaster, perfect for adding a touch of charm to your tea time or as a thoughtful handmade gift. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more fun crochet tutorials. Let's start with round 1. Create a magic ring and crochet 12 double crochets into the ring. Tighten the loop and join with a slip stitch. Tip: make sure your stitches are even for a smooth circular shape. For round 2, work a double crochet increase into each stitch around. This means you'll have 24 stitches in total. Encouragement: great work! You're building the base of the coaster. Keep going. In round 3, alternate between 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet, increase all the way around. This will give you a total of 36 stitches. Tip: count your stitches after each round to ensure accuracy. For round 4, follow the pattern. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 double crochet. Repeat all the way around. You should have 48 stitches at the end. The coaster is growing beautifully. Well done. Switch to red yarn for the strawberry accents. Crochet 5 double crochets, chain 5, and skip 3 stitches. Repeat this pattern around. Tip: switching colors can be tricky. Keep your yarn tension consistent for clean color transitions. Switch to green yarn for the strawberry tops. Crochet 5 unfinished double crochet stitches and leave them on the hook. Then switch to white yarn and work 8 sets of unfinished double crochet stitches around. The strawberries are taking shape. So cute! In the final round, switch back to green yarn. Follow this pattern: half double crochet, 2 double crochet increases, double crochet, half double crochet, and a triple half double crochet decrease, TM. Repeat this sequence 11 times to complete the round. Congratulations! You've just completed your strawberry coaster. Isn't it adorable? If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun crochet tutorials. Share your creations in the comments below. I'd love to see them.